Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined in App Store. So now without further ado, let's get started. Now to start, open your settings on your iPhone and simply tap on your Apple ID at the top. And after that, you can simply tap on payment and shipping and wait for a few seconds for it to load. And here you can remove your current payment method. As you can see, I have already removed mine, but make sure to do this on your device as well. Now next, you simply need to go back to the sign in and security section, and from there you can simply tap on change password. Now enter your iPhone passcode and update your Apple ID password. And once you have changed it, sign out of your Apple ID completely. And after signing out, you can simply force restart your iPhone by pressing and releasing the volume up button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. And once your device restarts, you can sign back in your Apple ID and go back to the payment and shipping. Now wait for a few seconds and then add your payment method again by entering your correct billing details. And make sure all the information is accurate. And once you're done with it, simply save it. And after completing these steps, your payment method should work without any issues. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.